Word, guys, what's the word? Welcome back to another video. Guys, I know you guys are usually see me in the gym, but today I'm gonna show you guys what to pick out when you don't have much time and you need to eat. Get your protein in, guys. Get your protein, at least a gram per body weight or close to that, right? Guys, I also want to apologize because sometimes I don't enunciate my words correctly. Just because I'm bilingual, I shouldn't use that as an excuse. But sometimes I don't know how to talk either languages. I don't know how to talk Spanish or English. But I'm gonna show you guys what I get. I already have some rice cooked in the crib. So as you can see, I got a rotisserie chicken. I'm gonna put that over some rice. Gotta get some vegetables. Some lettuce. Make it a well-balanced meal. I'm just gonna pick a random one. I'm gonna pick this one right here. So this is my well-balanced meal right here. Got some carbs, some chicken, and some greens, right? It's not that hard. Guys, on a weight cut, guys, I do not want you to put no ranch or no soy sauce, right? You cut that out. That's the first thing you cut out when you're trying to lose weight, right? I'm not on a weight loss diet right now. I have a trip like in February, so you'll see that I won't do the ranch and I won't do the soy sauce. I'll cut half of this rice and I'll leave the same amount of chicken, right? And I'll just have some greens in there just to check the vitamin boxes. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, one more, 8, 9. I'm getting tired.